know we're shit.
Yeah.
Thanks for watching the Daily Drift.
Uh-oh, this isn't good.
Ooh, shit.
Hello, baby.
This is what a fuel bowl should look like, and this is what it shouldn't look like. It's completely full. It's a problem.
So you guys guessed it. The RX-7's busted again. It's leaking fuel. The secondary fuel bowls are filling up. And I gotta get it fixed, so I'm gonna rebuild the carb, but that's not what this video is about. So tomorrow is the first day of school, but we're gonna be really busy with that stuff, so we're probably not gonna be able to work on the cars as much as we want to.
So you guys might be seeing less videos of us just working on cars and doing stuff like this, as much as you might see us doing more vlog style content. Maybe we'll do some sort of video, kind of like what we did when we did the Cup of Joe thing. Stuff that's a little bit easier for us to manage at a more frequent basis. That way we can keep uploading. Because guys, sometimes it's difficult to manage to do these kind of videos during the school year, especially when we're going full time. We're still gonna keep it interesting. We're still gonna have fun, and we're still gonna be the same people we've always been. The only difference is there might be a little less of us working on shit in the garage. I guess the point I'm trying to make here is pretty simple. Basically, we're always still gonna be the same people. We're always gonna do the same things. But sometimes, you know, there's more to us than just working on cars. Like, I love working on cars and stuff, but it's not something that I can do every single day. At least not yet. But don't worry guys, these cars aren't going anywhere and neither are we. So this is just so we can continually upload at a much faster pace. Because ultimately, we want to be able to continue doing this as much as possible. So guys, don't hate us just because we try different things. We're still ourselves. We just happen to like more things than just car stuff. This is just what we're really good at. So guys, get ready for some very fun vlogs and some things that aren't always necessarily about working on car stuff. You know, we have other hobbies and interests that we like and we want to share them with you. And I hope you guys will stick around for it. So guys, I realize that you may not be as familiar with carburetors as I am, and I am by no means an expert, but I know this is kind of taking a slight turn from what we were talking about, but we're going to talk about carburetors for a second because they're old school, they're awesome, it's car stuff. So this is a power valve right here. This is a 6.5, I believe. Yeah, 6.5. And this one here is the one that usually comes on stock, sometimes a little bit bigger, versus what we have on there now, which is going to be a 3.5. Basically, all it is this. You take your engine idle vacuum, you cut it in half, and that gives you somewhere in the ballpark. Now for us, we're like between 7 and 8, so we're going with a 3.5, so it's okay. Basically, all it means, those numbers mean that when the vacuum drops below that point, this valve opens up and dumps a shitload of fuel in there. So the fact that we're running kind of rich tells me that this thing's basically opening at idle. And because it's opening at idle, it's literally just dumping fuel, and we're just going super rich. So hopefully by putting a 3.5 in there, it'll run a little better. Also forgot, you guys probably don't know a lot about jets, but basically all it is a little beady thing that sends a little bitty hole in there, and the fuel comes out. And depending on how big that hole is, depends on how much fuel you get. It's a lot more complicated than that, but that's the most basic way I could put it. Basically, you put bigger ones in if you want more fuel, you put smaller ones in if you want less fuel. You've got your primary and your secondary. Secondary is basically just for full throttle. Primary is majority of your driving time is your primary, so those are usually the ones that are the easiest to tweak. But we're just going to do that. Our primaries are pretty good. We're just going to tweak our secondaries a little and then put one of these valves in. Should be good. So let's do it. I spilt gas all over this. I forgot it was full of fuel because it's a carburetor and not a fuel-injected car, and it runs on old-school, amazing dinosaur fuel. So, yeah, I just fucked up because that's kind of what I do. But back to the montage. So this little guy right here, that's the little culprit. You can see where the gasket's tearing apart, basically. I guess I didn't get all the fuel out. Oops. guys, just remember, we're not always going to do car stuff, but we're always going to have fun. Just know that no matter what, we still love cars. We love doing this kind of stuff, and we're going to continue to do it no matter what. The only difference is that while we're going to school, it's just going to be hard to maintain the same schedule that we've been able to do during summer. I mean, I was going to school, but it was only one class. That's super easy. Doing this during full time, it's a lot more difficult. I'm not complaining, I'm just saying. Bear with us. Shit. I know that's part of the reason you guys stay, huh? I'm always breaking shit. So guys, I just wanted to say thank you to each and every one of you that have been subscribing, that have been coming back, watching our videos, commenting, and actually enjoying what we're putting out. I mean, it means the world to us. I mean, it's so much work to do this, and sometimes you wonder if it's ever really worth it. But you know what, just seeing you guys enjoying what we're doing and enjoying our content, like, that's what it's all about, and that's what makes me happy. And these damn planes. So guys, the point is, and gals, I'm not sexist, I'm just 99.9% of our viewers are men, so, you know. But I do see you ladies, I know you're joining, I know you're watching, and I do appreciate you. We're gonna keep doing this as much as we can, and as long as you guys keep showing up and keep watching our stuff, we'll keep putting it out. So guys and gals, thank you for sticking with us this far. I hope that you guys continue to stick with us through the next, Lord knows how long it's gonna be while we're going through school, because school is gonna take up a lot of our time, but it's very important to both of us. It's gonna be very exciting to see where this channel goes, and I'm very excited to share with you guys some more of my life and some more of our lives and what we do outside of the garage. So guys, thank you for subscribing to our channel and for watching our videos and enjoying our content. It means the world to both of us, to my entire family really. This is something I love doing, and I'm glad that you guys love watching it. I will continue to come out with stuff. It's just gonna be outside the garage. Not everything's gonna be in the garage anymore. So I hope you guys enjoy, and I'll see y'all in the next one. Well, it looks as though the fuel leak is back anyway. Damn it. Well, it looks like I got more parts to order. I'll see y'all in the next one. You know it's gonna be a good day when you're up before the sun.
A few moments later.
Here we are, day one, fall semester, and I'm already talking about dropping out.